They say your early life romance game.
John here at Torque Motorsports. We've got an update for you on the KIA Stinger catch cans. So what ended up happening is we've got the breather side catch cans that are having some fitment issues with the different intakes that are on the market in the factory air boxes. I've got two air boxes. I got a set of air boxes over there, a set of air boxes stacked up top. The air boxes have a difference between the the rear-wheel drive and the all-wheel drive versions appear to have a different air box. The extension is just ever so slightly longer on the newer air boxes. So what we've decided to do is put a slot in the opening for the boxes. Now, when I go through and show you how to do the install, we're going to show you the slot and where to adjust it or how to make it fit for the different air boxes. Some intakes will use two studs. Factory box will use a single stud that places it in the center. I have all that information for you guys when we get ready to do the install video and get these things shipped out. I want to apologize for how long it's taken to get all these shipped out to everyone. We had to make sure that they fit for everyone. This is breather side only. The PCV side we haven't had any problems with. Stay tuned for the new update.